We have sun, and it is given that around that a planet is moving in an elliptical orbit, and at one particular instance it's at a distance r naught, its velocity is v naught, and r vector is making an angle alpha with the velocity vector. So all these three quantities are given, r naught, alpha and v naught. Now we need to find the maximum and minimum distances, that is this apogee and perigee. So we need to find what is r1 and r2 if r0, alpha and v0 are given at a particular point. So we'll conserve energy and angular momentum at both these 2 points. So why we are considering this point? Because here we will get the term of r which we need. So at this point angular momentum will be mvr, and at this point it will be mv sine alpha into r naught. So that's what we'll do. M will get cancelled and vr will be v naught r naught sine alpha. That is our first equation. Now we can conserve energy. So at this point and this point the mechanical energy will be same. So here the energy is half mv square minus g m ms by r. And at this point energy is half mv naught square minus g m ms by r naught. So we have two equations and our two variables are v and r. So if you eliminate v, you will get the r in a quadratic equation. So the roots of that quadratic equation will be this. So which is our answer, because the two roots will be r1 and r2. So here we have written it in this form where eta is v naught square r naught by gms. So you can see we have got r in terms of r naught, alpha and v naught. Alright. Also one more thing, so quite obviously if the plus term will represent r2 and minus term will represent r1.